Want to create eye-catching comic book style art? In this video, we'll show you step by step how to make your own comic book style illustration, even if you're just getting started. First, let's talk about character selection. Choosing the right character is crucial for your comic book art. Think about the personality, background, and unique traits of your character. These elements will help bring your character to life and make them stand out. Next, consider the visual style of your character. Will they be realistic, cartoonish, or somewhere in between? Experiment with different styles to find the one that best fits your story and artistic vision. Once you have a clear idea of your character, start refining the details. Focus on their facial features, clothing, and accessories. Adding color can also enhance your character's personality and make them more visually appealing. Don't be afraid to make adjustments along the way. Getting feedback from others can be incredibly helpful. Remember, your character's story is just as important as their appearance. Develop a backstory that adds depth and dimension. Think about how your character will move and interact with their environment. Dynamic poses can make your character more engaging. Expressions and emotions are key to making your character relatable. Practice drawing different expressions to capture their personality. Once you're satisfied with your character design, compile your work into a portfolio. This will be useful for future projects and collaborations. Sharing your work online can also help you get feedback and connect with other artists. Now that you have your character, it's time to place them in your comic book. Think about how they will fit into the overall story and layout. Plan out your scenes and make sure your character's actions and expressions align with the story. Action scenes can be particularly challenging, but they are also the most exciting. Practice drawing your character in various action poses. Don't forget about dialogue. Your character's words can add another layer to their personality and the story. Review your work and make any final adjustments. It's important to ensure that everything flows smoothly and looks cohesive. Finally, it's time to publish your comic book. Whether it's online or in print, share your work with the world. Celebrate your achievement and enjoy the process. Creating comic book art is a rewarding experience that allows you to express your creativity. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide has inspired you to create your own stunning comic book art. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep experimenting and refining your skills. Stay creative and have fun with your art. Happy drawing! Start by deciding who or what you want to draw. It can be a superhero, a villain, or even yourself. Sketch a basic pose using simple shapes. Comic book style art is known for bold black outlines. Use a brush or pen tool to trace over your sketch. Make sure your lines are clean and expressive. Comic book style art is known for bold black outlines. Use a brush or pen tool to trace over your sketch. Make sure your lines are clean and expressive. Fill your drawing with bright solid colors. Use a limited color palette for a bold look. And don't forget the dramatic shadows and highlights. To get that real comic book feel, add halftone dot patterns. These can be added using brushes or texture layers in Photoshop or Procreate. No comic is complete without speech bubbles. Add dialogue, sound effects like boom or zap. Use bold fonts like Comic Sans or Badaboom. Zoom in and clean up your lines. Adjust contrast and saturation to make your art pop. And just like that, your comic book style illustration is ready. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more comic art tutorials. Keep creating and stay super. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below if you want more comic art tutorials. Keep creating and stay super.